Alright guys, I wanted to come back in and show you a side-by-side of the fresh broccoli right out of the ground versus the blanched. See, that is what you get on that plate when you are going out to eat, guys. Alright guys, so today I learned a I learned something new today. I learned how to blanch broccoli. I had no idea that this is what they do. You know how at home when you make broccoli, it kind of turns like a grayish, like a very light green. But when you go to the restaurants, it's nice and green. Oh, the way they get it that way is by blanching it. I'm going to show you how it's done really quick. So first you got your water boiling back here, and first you boil your water, and then you go ahead and take your broccoli heads and throw them right in the boiling water. Sean, I'm blanching these. You know how when you make them, they turn like soggy and gray, but at the restaurant they look nice and green? This is what they do.
Blanching?
It's called blanching. Yep. Alright guys, so the first step is to drop them in this boiling water but not for long. You're going to leave them in there for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. About 1 to 2 minutes. And then they're going to turn like a really, I think I already see these ones over here turning that really nice green. Turn a really nice green. Okay, I'm trying to watch the clock. Flip these ones over. See that green? On top it was a little different green, but under here you're starting to see like a very vibrant green, and that's what you want when you're blanching, like right there. Turn all these over. Now me and Corey, as you guys can see in the other video, we just did a broccoli harvest, and one of my garden friends asked me, are you gonna blanch them? And I was like, huh? So I looked it up and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna blanch them. Good idea. Alright guys, so I'm filling up this bowl with ice because that is the next step. Once you take the broccoli out of the boiling water, you're gonna sit it in ice so you can stop the cooking process. Let's see if that's enough. Alright, come on. Alright guys, so I'm back and I got my bowl of ice and my blanched broccoli. Look at them. They are all green now, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. It doesn't take long at all. We're not trying to cook them. Just wanna blanch them. Alright guys, so I'm going to cover these with more ice and I'll be right back. This is the secret. I gotta give a big shout out to my garden buddy, Nancy Sutton. She's the one who told me about this, and I am very, very grateful. Thanks, Nancy.
Thanks, Nancy.
Do y'all see the difference? Or is it just me? Go figure, guys. Get out there and get the blanching.
Like cat food.
Alright guys, so it's looking good so far, and look how green it turned. Really bright, vibrant green. So that is how the restaurants get their broccoli to look that good when they bring it on your plate, guys. Alright guys, I got a little bit more to do back there. Thanks for watching, and this was our bonus video after our broccoli harvest. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys try this out once you harvest. Alright. See you in the next one.